We'll guide you through how to make a TNT cannon in Minecraft. So first of all, I'd recommend just breaking down one block where you want it to be, and you need to put 3 dispensers around you. So 1, 2, 3, like so, and then you can just go and fill in that gap there. And then what we need to do is go and put a 4th dispenser sort of above them all, like so. Then go and put a slab in front of it, and you then need to go and put a water block in there as well, but just by using a water bucket. Now you need to come around the back, and we'd start by putting redstone on top of the side pieces, and then putting 2 more pieces like this, and do the same thing on the other side, redstone on top, then come out. Then what you need to do is go and place a redstone torch on this dispenser, and you then need to go and put a button on the back of the dispenser as well. Then what you need to do is go and put TNT in all of the dispensers, which I've now done. And then what I'm going to do is go and right click on the button, and then as you can see, it'll throw some TNT out, and it'll then go and push it in front of it like so. And none of it's going to be destroyed, but you've gone and made a cannon.